Hi, welcome back to today's morning report with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets on Wednesday, the 12th of November. Going to move on to dollar yen now, and this dollar yen chart once again yesterday had a very strong day, pushing to another multi-year high, 7-year high back to 2007. 116 has now been hit. But it's slightly corrected today overnight, with the just on the back of this report that perhaps Shinzo Abe in Japan is slightly wavering in his commitment to Abenomics. So that has strengthened Japanese yen slightly, but I think it's ultimately just going to prove to be another chance to buy. It's not really a major move to the downside, and I think if you look at certainly, just on this daily chart, this 100% Fibonacci projection remains that key support around 113.77, mark that 113.84 low. So that 113.84 low is key near term, certainly, and I'll show you that on the intraday hourly chart. That's the low there, back on the 10th of November, a couple of days ago. But it certainly looks like a sequence of higher lows is still in place, and this correction that we've seen overnight is just sort of brought us back in towards, zoom in quickly here, back in towards sort of a band of support that you've got between sort of 115.50 and sort of 115. So I think that's where you'd sort of be putting your entry levels around that 115 area. I think you've got a minor support at 114.80 that comes in above that 113.84 mark, but I think anything back towards the 115 area I think probably looks like it's going to be a chance to buy. You've seen these hourly momentum indicators just unwind fairly nicely. RSI back towards neutral. You could argue there's maybe room for a slight bit further of downside, of correction, but to be honest, through the period higher, seems to be that the mid 40s is where the RSI comes back to, so that's fine. MACD lines nicely back towards neutral as well, and stochastics also nicely unwound. So it looks like the that 115 area on dollar yen is probably around about where we're going to see the low. Might see a little bit below that, but to be honest, I think 115 is a pretty decent area of support as well. And I think subsequently it will give you another chance to buy. So I think I'm remaining still very positive on dollar yen and using dips as buying opportunities. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.